Good morning, everyone. This is Bob. Welcome to another episode of Trail Trekking. Today, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it or not, what's behind me, I'm at Irwin Prairie State Preserve here in Ohio. So we're going to take a little short walk and let you all check this out. What's weird is this is going to be all the boardwalk. So here we go. Let's go. Like I said, it's a boardwalk. All right. Tell you what, the ground cover has really grown since the last time I was here. As you can see, it's a sunny day. It's warm. Probably in the 80s. It's supposed to get like up to 89, 90 today. At any rate, this is like, I don't know, maybe not quite a mile trail. And probably won't walk the whole thing. Not that I can't, because I can, but at any rate, we'll see. But it's a nice area. Let you check it out. The only reason I probably won't walk the whole thing is time. But still, I mean, if you live in Northwest Ohio, and it's a nice place to come. I mean, if you can walk it, cool. Even if you have little issues of walking, you can still come out here. With the boardwalk, it makes it pretty friendly walking. And like I said, what makes this unique is a lot of this plant life here is native to only here. So that's why they revitalized this for this. Any rate, enough of me yapping. Enjoy the walk. Show you little flowers. It's hard for me to see because I'm wearing my sunglasses and they totally block out the screen. So, I don't know what I'm showing you. I'm also breaking in some new boots. So, I don't know, about a week and a half, me and my grandson Jaden, I'm going on a little camping trip. We're going to go to the Salt Fork State Park here in Ohio, in eastern Ohio, southeast, I guess. People argue with me about that. That's southern Ohio. Well, it's north of I-70, so I call it eastern Ohio, but what do I know? I've only drove truck for 40 years before I retired, and hunted and fished, camped, and hiked my whole life, but whatever. People have gotten weird here the past few years. Extremely weird. But I don't want to go there. I do like it out here, though. Oh, nice. I believe those black-eyed Susies, aren't they? I'm not sure. Yeah, those are black-eyed Susies, right? If I'm wrong, let me know in comments. And yes, please hit the like, subscribe, and comment. Tell your friends, too. I came out here to do a video here a few weeks ago, and this is all underwater. I'm glad to see it dried out. Well, that's kind of a cool little flower. You can see that or not? Sure. Check these out. Another one. It's really cool. Those plants are like orange. Burnt red, whatever you want to call it. Long little black-eyed Susie by itself. Ooh, little birdie. Wow, it's really nice in the shade. I don't know what this is going to be like for my allergies. Pollen and stuff, I don't think they said any alerts or anything for that, so. I don't think I can find one. Oops, sorry, had an itch. That's kind of weird. Maybe there's a deer bed in there. Why else would that be down like that? And I'm going to take my glasses off. Thank you, tree. You can tell by looking at this that it does get swampy. Tell by looking at the grass. Kind of looks like cattails. Don't think it is though. Man, it's a big difference when I get in the shade, man. Something was moving over there. Not quite sure what it was. Yeah, that's what I see. Same distance. Look how rich this soil is. Excuse me. Curve ahead. Yeah. Cell towers everywhere. Way over there. Yep. That's what's part of the oak opening region right there. Up the sun, but that's a neat shot. But a lot of oaks out here. A lot of them are what they call swamp oak. That's kind of like a red oak to me, but I'm not a botanist, so I don't know. Wood ducks, I guess. Huh. There's spots on my shirt. I don't know where it's come from, unless I'm sweating. Didn't think I was. Yeah, what do we got here? There we go. I could read that, I guess. But I think you can read. Okay. Back to our regularly scheduled program. I don't think you see, but way over there, there's like a gazebo in the middle of an area like this. Prairie. I'm not walking all the way over there. It's kind of like a little, not supposed to be, but kind of like a little lover's lane type of thing, you know. Couples like to go out there and cuddle, so I ain't gonna deal with that. Man, look at all the flowers, man. It's kind of cool. You know, I kind of talk bad about my area a lot of times because, well, for the most part, it's just farmland. Something eating on me. But tell you what, I was only coming to the street here, but there's some more nice. Man, it smells good here. Water is up. And the cars you hear. Man, something got me good in the arm. Walk across the street. I don't know if you can see them. A couple of benches. We'll go to those benches. And here we go. There. Let you check that out. Okay. I guess there's certain rules we gotta follow. Maybe I should do this. Hope y'all can read that. There you go. Alright. Well, I got somebody walking this way. But this is the other half of the prairie right here, man. You can see the grass waving in the breeze. Kind of cool. We got somebody coming at us, folks, which is fine. It's still kind of swampy. I don't know if you can. Yeah, you can see it. It glares. Yeah, soggy bottoms. That's what they call this. Soggy bottom prairie. How's it going? Not bad, not bad. Dried up quite a bit since the last time I was here.
Yeah, you got the place to yourself now. Enjoy it.
Yeah, I didn't know if you were by yourself or had a young lady with you or something. So,
Nope.
That your white ranger?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
You walked to the gazebo?
Yep.
I was going to, but I figured you might have been with a young lady. I'm like, I'm not going to disturb.
No, just me. She's out with her friends. So. Yep. Enjoy
Mine
it.
too. Yeah, I'm shooting a little video here for YouTube.
There you go.
So,
Yeah.
kind of
breeze
fun.
is nice, so if it's warm, but
It feels good in the shade.
yeah, it does.
All right, take care. Have a great day. Wait a minute, I can see the bird flying. Can't see the bird flying. I don't want to walk all the way over to that thing. It's probably another quarter mile that way. But I'm not going to. This video's getting long now anyway, so tell you what I'll do. I like to keep the videos within 20 minutes or a half hour. So I got these benches here. There we go. Anyway, if you want to walk this saw lake, it goes over there, then kind of veers to the right a little bit, and you can see part of it right there. Anyways, over on the other side of those trees is like a gazebo type area. But anyway, this gives you a kind of a general idea of me. There. Makes it look far away. Well, anyway, I'm going to call it here. I want to keep this video short, but you get the gist of it. This is a nice place, you know? So, if you live in Northwest Ohio, you get a chance to come out here. Irwin State Prairie, Lucas County, Ohio. It's a nice, quiet little place, you know? And if you can, take a kid with you. Get them outside. Get them away from the video games, you know? Bring them out here and let them explore nature. But out here, you got to be careful because they're really funny about this area. Check the rules. You can't take vegetation. You really can't take anything from out here, but you can enjoy it. And with that said, y'all take care. Go for a walk. Enjoy what Mother Nature has to offer. Take care. God bless. Love y'all. See ya. We're out.